Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is to change the pollen filter in the Toyota RAV4. So where is this and how to change it? It's in the glove compartment. Please remember hit the subscribe button, the bell icon to notify new videos. I really appreciate that thumbs up. Take everything out of the glove compartment. First thing you need to do. Next thing, you want to squeeze the sides of the glove compartment. So on the left side, you want to squeeze it to the right, and on the right side, squeeze it to the left. And I've done that already ahead of time. Then you want to loosen the strut over here. All right, then you can get access to the pollen filter. But wait, there's another enclosure, little cover that's holding it. So this is the cover, so that you need to remove first. Notice the orientation is up, right? And there's a little notch, all right? Usually I like to squeeze the ends over here, just like this. Then you can release that cover, then you can get to the pollen filter tray. So just squeeze it just like that, and then you'll come out. So slide it out, pull it towards the right, all right? And this is the pollen filter tray, all right? Since this is a loaner vehicle, it's not really my vehicle. I'm just gonna clean it out and put it back. Since, you know, ordinarily I would recommend you change it. And you can use OEM or non-OEM, but the OEM one has the upward orientation. So we're just gonna keep the same orientation. So I'm just gonna clean it out a little bit on the side over here. And it's a lot cleaner, but it's not perfect. You know, still some, you know, debris, I would say. So notice they put it back the same way. If you were to take it out, then you know the up orientation. So I want to show you the filter. There's a little up arrow also, but it's kind of hard to show on the camera over here, unfortunately. But let me see if I can still catch that on the right side. Yes, you see the up. There it goes. So that's the up orientation. So you want to slide the pollen tray back into the housing. Just like that over there. All right. So then you want to put the cover on. So remember the orientation of the cover is pointing up. All right. So you're going to put it in that way because it needs to also latch. There's some end pieces that you got to latch. So you can see how I do it. Latch like that and push it in, and it should not come loose. You could tug a little bit. It doesn't come loose. You're good. The next thing is put the glove compartment back together. So all you need to do is slide it back here, and notice that it clicks automatically, and put the strut back in. All right, and you probably want to open and close a few times before you put all your stuff back in. In my case, I know it's going to work, so I just put the stuff back in, and you can close the cover, and that basically is the job. So, you know, simple thing to do, and you could, it's a basically a DIY that you could do it yourself. You don't have to have a dealer or a mechanic or somebody to do it. Hopefully this video helps you out. I really appreciate a thumbs up. Comment to share, please leave it below. Please remember to subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Have a good one.